Okay, we're going to be looking for the extra wiring we run for aftermarket installations, mainly for tie downs. We like to call them easy lock wires here. So we run them up under the dash so you can pick up your ignition signal, brake signal, whatever it is you're looking for. And if you look just behind the brake pedal under the carpet, pull that carpet back, you can see these wires are right here. You can just pull them out and you have easy access to the BCM from there, or the fuse block that's on the side of the dash for whatever you may be looking to hook up there. Those wires are routed along with our harness all the way around. They route underneath the center console, over underneath the passenger seat, along that threshold, along the rear door threshold, and then across the back. You'll find the other end of them here under the rear seat. You can see we have a plate that gets welded to the back wall of the cab, just underneath that rear seat. And here you'll find this loomed wire tucked behind that, and that is the other end of those wires. They are just dead-ended at both ends. They're not hooked to anything, so you can use them however you choose.